Today is the 4th day of our Switch It Up challenge, and we are doing a 10-minute full body workout with dumbbells. Here we go. So today, all you need is one set of dumbbells for this full body workout. So I have a set of 10s, and I encourage you to have anything between 5 and 10 pounds. So we're gonna start standing, and you're gonna have one foot in front of the other, palms facing forward, and you're gonna bend your elbows and then straighten. Bend, straighten. So I find a simple bicep curl like this is a great place to get started. It's just gonna help you find your posture. It's gonna help get your blood flowing a little bit. And if you wanna really warm up before a workout like this, I have some great 10-minute indoor walking workouts that are a great way to get your heart rate up and really get warmed up before you start lifting weights. So whatever weights you have, I just encourage you to really start there with what you're comfortable with and then build up over time as you are able to. Remembering that lifting weights is one of the best things you can do for your overall health. It's gonna help keep you strong, keep you functional, and help prevent injury. Okay, we're gonna do one more. And then bring them back down. Nice job. Now just turn and so that your palms are facing you. And now you're gonna slide your arms up and back down. So this is called an upright row. And you're just thinking of almost having a zipper on the front of your body, and you're zipping yourself up and down. And again, you can have your feet next to each other, or you can have one in front of the other like this, which helps give you a little bit more support in standing. And if you need to be seated for these, that is completely fine too. Okay, last two. And last one. Nice job. So now on this one, I'm gonna have, again, one foot forward and one foot back. I'm almost in this lunge stance, and I'm gonna lean forward. Palms are facing each other, and now pull your elbows in and let them back out. So when we do kind of these shorter workouts with weights, I wanna make sure that I'm getting all major muscle groups. So we started with biceps, which would be the front of the arms. Then we moved into a little bit of shoulders, and then now we're working into your back and your triceps. So think about having this long line from the back of your head down to your tailbone. Now I just want you to switch legs and then keep going with the arms. Try to squeeze the shoulder blades together on your back. 3 and 2. Last one. Nice job. Step it in. Give your shoulders a couple rolls here. And then we're gonna take those weights and we're gonna hold them next to our shoulders. We're gonna separate the feet to about shoulder distance apart, slightly turned out, and you're gonna inhale, sit down and back for a squat, and exhale back up. So this is what it'll look like from the side. I'm gonna give you some options here, okay? You can just hold one weight, and you would hold it like this, right at your chest. And this is a really good option. It kind of helps relax the shoulders a little bit more. So that's a great place to be. You can also hold them closer to your sides, or even let them rest a little bit on your legs. Okay, this is a great place if you're really just trying to get that form down a little bit, but just make sure you're not pushing your hands into your legs. Okay, and then final option is where I had you. You're holding those weights kind of right at your shoulder level. So any of those are completely fine. So we're starting with some work in standing, and then we're gonna get down to the mat, and I'll show you a great few moves with the weights you can do down on the mat as well. Last 3 and 2. Last one. Nice job. Bring those weights down. Right foot forward, left foot back. Really long stance. Your back heel is lifted. Bend, straighten. So I know lunges get a bad rap, but I am here to help convince everyone that they can do lunges, and more importantly, that we should be working into them. A lunge is basically going upstairs, climbing up bleachers, hiking, and getting on and off the floor. This is a big part of the strategy we use to get on and off the floor. So I'm not saying just jump into it if it hurts your knees. I'm saying let's find ways to work into it that works for your body. Good, switch legs. I just never want you to be scared of a certain movement. I want you to feel empowered and have some modification and variations that you can do for your body so that you feel strong in it. And I do have a tutorial how to do a lunge without knee pain. So you can go find that, and that might help if that seems to describe you sometimes. Okay, last two. Nice job. Come back in, and then we're gonna come down onto our mats. So we're gonna start on all fours, and we're gonna take that dumbbell and place it behind your right knee. Okay, so I have my hands spread wide, and what I'm gonna do is lift my right leg up and down. So it's like I wanna put a stamp of the bottom of my foot right up on the ceiling. And you can do this on your elbows as well. If that feels better to you for your wrists, you can go to your elbows. Try to keep the hips level. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. We're gonna go right to the other side. So you can take that weight out and place it right behind the other knee. If you have a traditional dumbbell, it should kind of fit right there, and you just have to give it a good squeeze. Ankle weights would also be just fine in this situation. Or again, like I said earlier, if you don't have weights or that doesn't feel right to you here, don't skip it. Just do the move without the weights. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Let's take that out. And then you're gonna lay down on your back with both weights close. So have your feet flat here, hip distance apart. Bring your arms up so your palms are facing your knees. And then inhale, arms come down. Exhale, press up. I'm bending my elbows and then pushing back up. So I'm going for a 90-degree angle here in my elbows. So this is working your chest, the front of your body into the biceps again. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Bring those weights down. And optional, both weights or just one. If you're new to this, you might want to just have one weight in the middle. Otherwise, take both, and you're placing them on the fronts of the hips, but you're going to hold them there, okay? So my hands stay there. And you're going to press your hips up and down. So you're keeping a flat back. It's not like our traditional Pilates bridge, if you've done that with me before. This is actually a flat back. You're pressing right through your heels to lift those hips up. Nice big exhale every time. So working into the back muscles and the glutes and the hamstrings. 4, 3, you got it. 2, 1. Nice job. Slowly lower back down. Bring your arms to your sides. Palms face each other. Last one. You're going to push up here and then lower. And then just for fun, if you want, as we end here, you can lift your hips at the same time. So a more dynamic mood. So a more dynamic move whenever we kind of add different body parts moving at the same time. 4 more. Nice job. 2, 1, and lower everything back down. And you can just set your weights to the side and hug those knees in. Rock yourself side to side. And then roll to the side, and we're gonna sit up. And let's inhale, both arms up, look up. Exhale, left arm down as you reach over. Arms up, go to the other side, stretching those arms out. And then both arms down. And great job. Thank you so much for stopping by today, and I will see you next time.